In this lecture, we're going to demonstrate a freehand callout. Suppose you are using ScreenFlow to do an online demonstration, and for some reason you were demonstrating a website and you had some information that you did not want to show your audience. So for example, you have to go into a website and enter your email or a password, and you need to keep it private. Well, one of the things you could do to cover it up while still showing the audience what they need to see is to use a freehand callout. So go to the top of your screen and you're going to go to the callout menu, which is this circle with an arrow in it. You're going to click on that and then click on the Create Action button. So under callout, we're going to select freehand, and then you have a choice of round or square. I'm going to keep it at square, and I'm going to go in here to what I want covered, and I'm going to click, drag, and drop. So I'm going to cover that email address. And now under blur, I'm going to drag and drop until it gets blurry enough so you can't really read it. As far as opacity goes, I don't need any opacity here, so I'm just going to bring that back down to 0. And there you have it. That is a freehand callout. So I can demonstrate anything I need to demonstrate on this website, and you won't see what I need covered. Now, if you go down here to the timeline, you'll see this callout is this callout action is this yellow action indicator. If you want it to last the entire clip, you would just take this action and drag and drop the end to match the duration of this freehand callout to the duration of your video clip. That way your audience will have this blurred out the entire time. And that is a freehand callout action.